Welcome to the video. Today we are going to learn about pronouns. Pronouns are substitutive words in the place of nouns and repeating the noun also. Here we have some pronouns: I, he, she, it, you, we, they. I means myself. I am Subhashi. He is used for male person, either boy or man. She is used for female gender, either it may be a girl or woman. It is used for a place, animal and thing. Like a place Hyderabad. Instead of Hyderabad, we can use it. Animal, cat. Instead of a cat, we can use it. And a thing like chair, we can use it. You means it's you, about you. We means I and other some person together, called we. They, more than one, it may be persons, place, things or animals. For a plural, we can use they. I, he, she, it, you, we, they. Here I wrote Jyoti sings, Satya sings. Jyoti and Satya sing. Jyoti is a noun of a girl, female. So instead of this Jyoti, what can we write? We can write as she sing. She sings. Satya sings. Satya is a male noun. Satya is a boy's name. So instead of this Satya, we can write he sings. Here, coming to the third sentence, Jyoti and Satya sings. Jyoti and Satya, here is two members, both a girl and a boy. It's a plural. Two members are there. So instead of these two members, we write they sing. So here instead of a girl name, we wrote she. Instead of a boy name, we wrote he. Instead of the girl and boy, here two members are there. It's a plural. So we wrote as they sing. The dog runs. The dog is an animal. How many dogs are there? Only one dog, one animal. The dog. Instead of animal, we write it, and it is a singular. It runs. The dog and cat runs. Here two animals are there. It's plural. Instead of a plural, what we have to write? They runs. Rosie runs. Here Rosie, my dog's name is Rosie and it is a female. So here we write, what we have to write? She runs. Produjur is a town. Produjur is a town. Produjur is a place. Instead of it, we can write it. Produjur is a town. It is a town. It is a town. My parents love oranges. My parents love oranges. Here, my parents is subjective pronoun. Instead of this subjective pronoun, my parents, we write as they love oranges. My parents and I love oranges. Here my parents and I. My parents are there and also I am also involving. So here me and other persons. Together we. My parents and I. We love oranges. Here is an example for avoiding repetition noun. Avoiding repetition noun. Here in these three sentences, Vinod went to town. In the second sentence again, Vinod brought a pen. Vinod liked the pen. Vinod liked the pen. Here, instead of this repeating noun, we use pronouns. In first sentence, like Vinod went to town. In the second sentence, instead of this repeating noun, we use Vinod is a boy, right? Vinod is a boy, a single person. So we use he. He brought a pen. Instead of Vinod again, and here pen is repeated. The noun pen is repeated again in the next sentence. He liked. Pen is a thing and a singular. So we write it. He liked it. See here, now we avoided repeating noun here. Vinod went to town. He brought a pen. He liked it. Now you understood this repeating? We avoided repeating noun here in this example. For example, we can take another also. Raju went to Hyderabad. Raju visited Charminar. Raju bought bangles. Raju brought bangles to her sister. Here, Raju is the repeated word. So we can change this repeated noun into pronoun. We can substitute this Raju name with pronoun he. He. Raju went to Hyderabad, and so instead of the Raju in second sentence, we can use he. He visited Charminar. In the third sentence also, he bought bangles. In the fourth sentence, he bought them for her sister. Like this, we can avoid repeating nouns in the sentences. Once again, I am repeating pronouns. Listen carefully. I, me. I and me used instead of a speaking person. Who are speaking? Third person. Instead of speaking person, we use I and me. This is the first person and singular. First person and singular. We use I and me instead of a speaker. We, us. We and us use instead of person speaking. Instead of person speaking, but in the plural. But in the plural. And he, him, his. He, him, his is used instead of man, man, boy. Whom about we are speaking? Whom about we are speaking? That means other person, third person. We are speaking about third person. She, her, has. We use these pronouns instead of a girl or woman. About we speak. And it's a singular. It is used instead of a place, a thing, or an animal. It's also a singular, about a third person. And they, them, they. They, them, they are the plural pronouns which we speak about the third person. So here are the pronouns. Once again, I, me. I and me used in the instead of speaker. Instead of speaker, first person. We and us is used instead of person speaking. And it's a plural, first person. Plural, first person. He, him, his. Instead of male. Like man, boy. Instead of a man or a boy. And it's about a third person, singular. She, he, she, her, hers is used instead of girl or woman about a third person. It's singular. It is used instead of animal, thing, or a place. It's a singular about a third person. They, them, they are the plural pronouns we use instead of a third person. I hope you like this video. We'll meet in the next video.